How to uninstall a package installed with pip install user. There is a user option for pip which can install a Python package per user. I use this option to install a package on a server for which I do not have root access. What I need now is to uninstall the installed package on the current user. I tried to execute this command, but I got How can I uninstall a package that I installed with pip install user, other than manually finding and deleting the package? I found this article. Pip cannot uninstall from peruser site packages directory, which describes that uninstalling packages from user directory does not support it. According to the article, if it was implemented correctly, then with the package that was installed will be also searched in user directories. But a problem still remains for me. What if the same package was installed both system-wide and peruser? What if someone needs to target a specific user directory?
Having tested this using Python 3.5 and pip 7.1.2 on Linux, the situation appears to be this. Pip install user some package installs to $home/.local, and uninstalling it does work using pip uninstall some package. This is true whether or not some package is also installed system-wide at the same time. If the package is installed at both places, only the local one will be uninstalled. To uninstall the package system-wide using pip, first uninstall it locally, then run the same uninstall command again, with root privileges. In addition to the predefined user install directory, pip install targets Some package will install the package into Somedra. There is no way to uninstall a package from such a place using pip. But there is a somewhat old unmerged pull request on GitHub that implements pip uninstall target. Since the only places pip will ever uninstall from a system-wide and predefined user local, you need to run pip uninstall as the respective user to uninstall from a given user's local install directory.
Example to uninstall package OAuth2 client on macOS.
I strongly recommend you to use virtual environments for Python package installation. With virtualenv, you prevent any package conflict and total isolation from your Python-related userland commands. To delete all your package installed globally, follow this. It's possible to uninstall packages installed with user flag. This one worked for me. Pip freeze user zards pip uninstall y. For Python 3, pip 3 freeze user zards pip 3 uninstall y. But somehow these commands don't uninstall setup tools and pip. After those commands, if you really want clean Python, you may delete them with pip uninstall setup tools and pip uninstall pip. Now you have clean Python environment. You can create virtualenv and install the package inside them.
Be careful though, for those who are using pip install user some_pkg inside a virtual environment. In this case, you have to deactivate the current virtual environment, then use the corresponding python/pip executable to list or uninstall the user site packages. Note that this issue was reported a few years ago, and it seems that the current conclusion is, user is not valid inside of virtualenv's pip, since a user location doesn't really make sense for a virtual environment.